You're gonna love the 2019 Honda HR-V. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, passenger vanity mirror. Kick your worries to the curb. This Honda HR-V is all about making your life easy and comfortable. Take it out for a drive today.